Hey DIYers, I'm George from Alarmcom. Today we're going to be going over which alarm systems work with Alarm.com. So to start off, what is Alarm.com? Alarm.com is an interactive service. It allows you end users to basically interact with your system from a mobile app or from a website. The Alarm.com app and the website basically allow you to arm and disarm your system remotely. All your sensors, all your Z-Wave devices that you have learned into your system will pretty much be carried over into the app and to the website, and you can take a look at the status of your sensors, of your Z-Wave devices. You can control your Z-Wave devices through the app. Now, just to get a little bit into what panels actually use Alarm.com. So for instance, we have 2 gig panels, the GC3, the GC2, the new 2 gig systems that are coming out. We have the Qualys IQ2 Plus. We have Simon Interlogix systems, the XT, the XTI, the XTI5. You can even use some Honeywell systems as long as it has an Alarm.com module built in. That Alarm.com module would be the SEM. There are also SEM devices for DSE wired systems as well. So basically, as long as there's an Alarm.com communicator for your system, you can use Alarm.com on that system. Some of these systems actually have them built in. For instance, the IQ2 Plus. All the IQ2 Pluses come with Alarm.com AT&T or Verizon communicators built in. The other systems like GC3s, Simon XTIs, XTI5s, XTs, or even the Honeywell systems, you have to buy the Alarm.com modules separately, right? So they're a separate add-on that you need to get. But once you guys get Alarm.com, or if you guys have a system that has an Alarm.com communicator built in, you can basically use the Alarm.com service. Now, a lot of you guys, when getting Alarm.com, you have to keep in mind that if you do Alarm.com, they require every single one of their users, if you're being monitored, to have a cellular path enabled. What this means for you guys is, first of all, more reliability. That means most of the systems that connect to the internet are going to have cellular as a backup plan as well. So in the event that the Wi-Fi ever fails, the cellular then picks up after it. Some of them work on Wi-Fi and cellular at the same time, like the IQ2 Plus. Some of them do Wi-Fi primarily, and then the cellular acts as the backup. So what this means for those of you who are using Alarm.com is, since it requires cellular, it does offer, like I said, more reliability. However, the monitoring plans usually tend to be a little bit higher with Alarm.com because of the cellular charges. Whether you're using AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, Rogers Network, there's a whole bunch of different Alarm.com communicators for different systems. No matter what cellular device you're using, the alarm company that you guys decide to go with to get the Alarm.com service is basically going to cover those cellular fees. So you guys don't have to contact these cellular provider companies and tell them that you want to start a new plan. The alarm company actually activates and registers the cellular communicator when your account is created, which is why you're going to more than often see that Alarm.com plans are a little bit higher than, for instance, I would say the Honeywell internet only plans, right? Because there's no cellular fees associated with those plans since they're using internet only. Now, you obviously have the option to add cellular communicators to them, but that's neither here nor there right now. Another cool feature that you can do with Alarm.com once you guys are monitored, which, by the way, we have Alarm.com monitoring plans. You just have to look for the logo underneath the plan that you want to sign up for. It'll be an upside down orange V. So you want to make sure that if you're getting your alarm system monitored and you're using Alarm.com, you sign up for the correct plan. The other cool thing that you can do with the app is actually the video monitoring. So you can actually add video cameras to your Alarm.com. You can have up to 8 cameras, and you also have the option of adding an SVR, which is a stream video recorder, if you guys want to record basically every second of the day. So you guys kind of like a DVR system. It's an SVR, stream video recorder, and you can access the video as long as your SVR is hooked up to the internet. Now, all of these cameras are IP cameras. None of them are cellular based, so they need a Wi-Fi connection or internet connection to work. Now, some of these actually stream to the panel. The only panel that supports the streaming to the panel right now is actually the IQ2 Plus. If you have a GC3 or an Interlogix or 2 gigs, I'm sorry, if you have 2 gig systems, Interlogix systems, any other system besides the IQ2 Plus, you will not be able to stream some of the cameras to the system. Only the IQ2 Plus has that feature right now. If you guys have any questions about the Alarm.com service, please feel free to send us an email to support@alarmgear.com. If you found the video helpful, make sure you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and enable notifications so whenever we upload new content, you guys get notified. I'm George, and I'll see you guys next time.